What's up, guys? So I know it's been a while, but same excuse as last time. Okay, I'm sorry, but today I'm going to start like a new series. It's gonna be called like My Escape or somewhere around those lines, and basically it's going to be where I show y'all things that I do to kind of like escape from reality, or like just kind of have some me time, some quality time by myself, or where I can kind of zone out and think, or zone out and like not think, and just kind of, I think it's just very important to have some time to yourself, to kind of like recharge, and just kind of get in tune with your thoughts and everything. But anyways, that's kind of going to be what the gist of the series is going to be. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my running path, I guess. So I've been really into running lately, and I'm not a very active person like at all. But I've been into running lately, and then like less than 5 minutes away from my apartment is the lake here in Austin, and I can just kind of go and just run around the lake and be with the trees and just kind of run and then kind of stop and just zone out and like sit and think and just soak up all the nature vibes, and it's really nice. I've been really enjoying it lately. So I'm going to kind of show y'all some of the views that I get to soak in by doing this. And yeah, if y'all have any things y'all do, then let me know down below in the comments, because I'm always down to try out new things. I have a couple other things that I do, but it's always nice to have other options too, or what other people like to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's been a while. Subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. What's up, guys? So this is after my run. It's a different day than when I recorded the intro, but I just wanted to say, like, holy, if you have not ran in a while or ever, go run outside in nature. If you have like a trail or like a lake or somewhere you can go in your town or your city, go try it out and just kind of just zone out and just move your legs, you know, like, so liberating. And I've been falling in love with running. I fell in love with running. I love it so much because, like, I will finish my run, I'll be in my car and I'll be like, oh my god, I don't want it to end. Like, I feel like I can keep going and I just want to keep on going, so I keep going. And I don't know, but I just wanted to say that, I don't know, and I was gonna say a lot more and I kind of zoned out. Hold on. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say. Just give it a try. It's very good for, like, if you have a lot in your mind and you just kind of need it to kind of get away for a little bit. You know, you're just kind of in your own world, just listening to music, or don't listen to music. Like, listen to nature, listen to the birds, the trees, the wind, everything, the water, whatever you're at. Listen to that, and it's just very freeing. So I will let y'all go now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we'll see y'all later. Bye!